Men over 60, listen closely for a moment. If you wake up in the morning and notice that your morning strength has gone quiet, if that natural confidence you once took for granted has slowly faded, I want you to hear this clearly. It is not because you are too old, and it does not mean the machinery is broken. Here's the truth most doctors don't have time to explain in a quick visit. Your body hasn't shut down, your nerves are still there, your blood vessels are still there, the wiring is intact, the power switch has simply been turned off for a while. Now imagine this. What if you could flip that switch back on, not with a pill, not with surgery, but using your own hands? I'm Dr. Jocelyn. For the past 5 years, I've specialized in men's health, helping men over 60 restore vitality, intimacy, and dignity naturally, without relying on harsh chemicals. Today, I'm going to show you something most men go their entire lives without learning. 3 specific pressure points, hidden switches in your body that can help reawaken blood flow, restore sensitivity, and bring back morning strength. Before we begin, tell me where you're watching from. Drop your city or country in the comments. And if you're ready to take control of your health, go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. Now let's wake things up. When something stops working down there, most men panic. You start thinking, this is it. I'm old. That part of my life is over. That belief is a myth. Biologically, the loss of morning erections is usually not about ability. It's about signaling. Years of sitting, stress, and tension cause the neural pathways that send signals from your brain to your pelvis to become inactive. Think of it like a room in your house you haven't entered in years. The light still works. The switch just hasn't been flipped. I once worked with a 74-year-old man who told me he didn't even miss intimacy as much as he missed feeling alive when he woke up. 3 weeks after learning these pressure points, he called me and said, "Doc, I woke up today and I felt present again. That's our goal, reconnection." Let's begin with the first point. This point sits directly above the pubic bone, an area many men completely ignore. Place your fingers on the soft area where your lower belly meets the pelvic bone. Underneath this area run important nerves and connective tissues that support blood flow to your manhood. Sitting for long hours compresses this zone and cuts off circulation. Apply firm but gentle pressure. Move your fingers slowly in small circles. Breathe deeply while you do this. You are stimulating nerve roots and encouraging fresh blood flow into the pelvis. More importantly, you are reminding your nervous system that this area is still alive and connected. One man I worked with told me he felt nothing at first. 2 weeks later, he noticed a subtle warmth returning. That warmth is circulation and nerve response waking up. The second point is even more powerful. It is located in the perineum, the soft space between the scrotum and the anus. In many traditional systems, this area is known as the root of vitality. This spot is a central junction of muscles and nerves involved in erection. When it becomes tense, it restricts blood flow, much like a kink in a garden hose. You don't need to use your hands if that feels uncomfortable. A simple method is to roll up a towel or use a soft ball, place it on a chair, and sit gently on it so it rests against that soft area. Sit still, breathe slowly. Stay there for 2 to 3 minutes and allow the tension to release. As this tension relaxes, circulation improves naturally. Blood can flow again without resistance. One retired veteran described it perfectly. He said it felt like the lights had gone out years ago, and suddenly a small flicker came back. That flicker is all the body needs to begin restoring function. Now let's talk about the third point, the one that connects everything. This point is located along the inner thigh near the crease where your leg meets your body. Beneath this line run the femoral artery and femoral nerve, 2 major supply lines for blood and nerve signals. Tight hips and prolonged sitting can restrict this pathway. Run your fingers along the inner thigh crease. Press lightly. When you find a tender or tight spot, pause there. Breathe. Massage gently until the tension softens. Opening this pathway ensures that blood actually has a clear route to where it needs to go. One man laughed when I first explained this to him. A week later, he told me he could feel circulation moving again for the first time in years. Now, knowing these pressure points is powerful, but to keep results lasting, you need to support your body with a few simple habits. First, breathe deeply into your belly for 5 minutes a day. Deep breathing stimulates nitric oxide, which helps blood vessels relax and expand. Second, hydrate first thing in the morning with warm water before coffee. Thicker blood doesn't flow well. Hydration helps everything move easier. Third, cut sugar at night. Sugar inflames blood vessels and interferes with circulation. Reducing it allows your arteries to recover while you sleep. Fourth, take a short walk after dinner. Even 10 minutes activates circulation in the pelvis before bed. And finally, approach this practice calmly. Don't rush. Don't force it. The nervous system responds best when you feel relaxed and curious, not pressured. I know this topic can bring up shame or self-doubt. Many men feel like they've lost a piece of themselves. But hear this, you are not broken. You are not past your prime. Your body is simply waiting for the right signal. I have seen men in their 60s, 70s, and beyond regain confidence and morning strength by reconnecting with their bodies instead of fighting them. Starting tomorrow morning, take 5 quiet minutes. Sit comfortably, breathe. Gently work these 3 points: the gateway, the hidden valve, the supply line. Don't force change. Invite it. And don't be surprised if, in a few weeks, you wake up feeling familiar strength again. If this helped you, like this video so other men can find it. Share it with someone who may need this message. Subscribe for more honest, science-backed guidance. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, reminding you that aging doesn't end vitality. It simply begins a wiser chapter. Stay strong. I'll see you in the next video.